Welcome everybody to your chart of the day for today. Today we're looking at Bitcoin, some very interesting price action over the last couple of days on the king of cryptos. Let's check out a chart and break it down for you right now. And you can see here this significant drop over the last 2 days, just around that 10% correction level, which took it down to support at just around this 101,600 support that was previously so between May and July. You can see there it bounced off this a couple of times before making its way up to test 120,000. But this break is technically very significant. We broke a short-term support at around about 107 that we've been referencing on a few occasions, and the sellers are in. Now, interesting price action today. You can see that which took us even lower than this support during the course of yesterday's trading, but brought us back up to that key level by the end of the US session. You can see again, very similar today. The sellers came in early in the session, but we can see the bounce again, creating yet another long wick, suggesting that this price action may hold. Now, there are two things that could happen from here. Obviously, in that we see a continuation of the selling. We get a move through that 101 and perhaps even test that key psychological level of $100,000 and test lows that haven't been seen since early May, or we could see a bounce off this. Way too early to suggest that that might be the case, but it's possibly worth keeping on an hourly chart. If we do get a honoring of this support, we could see it drift back up over the next few days, back up to that 107, perhaps a little bit of an oversell. The fact that we've held that support for right now is technically significant. So at a bit of a technical crossroads, do we see a fall through or do we see a bounce? One worth keeping on your radar over the course of the next 24 hours.